Hi guys, Amy here from That Teaching Spark. I'm just going to go over these October sub-plans really quick. So you will get day 1, day 2, day 3, or all of them together in one file. Here is where what you will print out for the substitute, and you will change all this information to fit your classroom. But I basically give you like a welcome, explaining how to do anything online, then your class list, general info, a schedule, things that you do in your classroom, student information, seating chart, how students get home, emergency information, and then this can be where the sub gives you information back of how the day went, and then here's the plans that you will be using. So each subject has 3 days worth of plans that you just upload to Google Classroom, and this is what the substitute will see, and you can either use these where you just check mark the day that you want them to do. So maybe you've decided, oh, I've already used day 1, I want them to do day 2, or, oh, you know what, I just want them to do the number of the day. So you can go through and do that, or if this is really emergency, you can just have them do it in order. Maybe you're out for 3 days. We have had that happen in our grade level, and one of the teachers did use all of these and it worked out perfectly. So then there's brain breaks built in, there's writing plans, these are opinion writing for this month. Then there's read aloud, and they go on and read Creepy Carrots and How I Met My Monster and Piggy Pie. Or they can go to Storyline Online. There's different things for grammar, for parts of speech and editing, and I give examples in there for the substitute. There's word study, so it's consonants and blends that we're working on for this month. And then in reading, they're going to be making predictions, character traits, and summarizing. And it tells them they can get their own book, or they can use a book that they listen to online. Science and social studies, this is 3 different virtual field trips. One of them is visiting a pumpkin farm. The other is just a regular farm. And then the third one is our scientist search is George Washington Carver this month. There's extras, so they can do this really fun art hub for kids activity where they can draw different things for following directions for October. So let's go over to the actual kid activities. Like I said, you can just put these in there as day 1, day 2, day 3, or I'm just going to give you an overview really quick of all of the different activities. So this is your master. You can either do something like this that I've already have there for you, or you can type in your own message to your students. But here is math. They'll do click to add and 3-digit numbers, and they will actually have a die that they will be able to click on here, and they will it will take them to a dice. And then there is a math game that they can work on. There's subtraction, another math game, number of the day, math game, would you rather. So these are opinion pieces that have to do with Halloween or fall activities. And if you don't want to do any of that kind of stuff, you can always type your own in. Then we have different brain breaks for them to do. And their read aloud, where they can click to do the different, listen to the different read alouds. And then they do basically a book review and tell what they thought about it. Here's the making predictions, and again, the online link for them. So everything on here is very spelled out for them. This would be perfect for even giving your kids, maybe if they're going on vacation or they are out on quarantine or something like that. These are different activities that you can send to them. So I just always put these on Google Classroom under just in case. So just in case I need a sub, my kids know that they're going to go under the just in case section, and everything is going to be there for them. And then the sub has all the information that they need right here, and everything is written out and explained to them. Hope this was helpful, and have a great October.